Hello guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you. I'm starting a new series on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. So I'm starting a series of 50 projects in HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. So I will show you all the projects. I will just show you the title of all these projects, and I will start uploading the each videos for each project. Okay, so these are not the big project or you can say capstone project. This is a small projects. So all these projects you can use as an implementation in your bigger project. Suppose the first project name is expanding cards. Now these expanding cards you can implement in your bigger project also. Okay, so what suppose if you are making a bigger project like e-commerce project, and in that e-commerce project you are required to implement the expanding cards. So what you can do is you already have expanding cards code. Then you can take that code of expanding cards and implement in your project. So this will save your time in order to complete the bigger project. Okay, suppose like progress steps. You can see in the Flipkart and Amazon there is a progress steps. So how many steps have you taken in order to buy the product? So these are all these things. So these are the small projects, but what this project will help you is like suppose if you are making a bigger project and you are required to implement progress steps in your e-commerce website, or you're required to implement a testimonial things like expanding cards. So you already have all these projects, right? You already have all these projects in your library. What you can do is you can take those code of that small projects. Suppose you have to implement the progress steps, so you take the code of progress steps in your bigger project like e-commerce, and you can implement it. So this will save your time in completing your bigger project. So yeah, so these are the 50 projects. These are the small projects, but all these projects you can utilize in a bigger project also. And at the same time you will learn the concept of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And as you know, the best way to learn anything is just by doing it, right? So yeah, so I will show you the name of all the 50 projects, and I will start uploading the videos for each project. So one video for each project. Okay, so let's start it. So first project name is expanding cards. Second is progress steps. Third is rotating navigation. Four is hidden search widget. Fifth is blurry loading. Sixth is scroll animation. Seventh is split landing page. Eight is form wave animation. 9 is soundboard. 10 is dad jokes. 11th event keycodes, fact collabs. See, this fact collabs is almost everywhere in the project, in the website, right? So suppose you have a website and you want to implement FAQ types things. So what you can do is you don't need to go and create right from the scratch. You already have the creation. You already have already created FAQ collabs, right? You can just take that code and implement in your projects. So this will save your time. So yeah, next project is random choice picker, animated navigation, incrementing counter, drink water, movie app, background slider, theme clock, button ripple effect, drag and drop, drawing app, kinetic CSS loader, content placeholder, sticky navbar, double vertical slider, toast notification, GitHub profiles, double hot click, auto text effect, password generator, good cheap fast checkboxes, notes app, animated countdown, image carousel, hoverboard, Pokedex, mobile tab navigation, password strength background, 3D background boxes, verify account UI, live user filter, feedback UI design, custom orange slider, Netflix navigation, quiz app, testimonial box switcher, random image feed, to-do list, insect catch game. So these are all the 50 projects. I have just shown you the title of all these 50 projects. I will start uploading each videos for each project. So yeah, if you like this video, do share this video. Those who are in it, those who want to learn the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript right from the scratch. So this will definitely help you. So yeah, do consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.